If you're just using Google or ChatGPT to help with your writing and research, you're already behind. Because these days, the real game changers aren't just about getting information. They're about how fast, how deep, and how smart you can turn that information into powerful writing. So today, we're going to dive into the top 5 AI tools that can take your writing and research from average to next level. Whether you're a content creator, student, marketer, researcher, or entrepreneur, these tools will help you think faster, write clearer, and sound smarter. And the best part, most of them are plug and play. You don't need to be a tech expert to start. Let's go. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Work Chat. Today we are going to dive into the top 5 AI tools that make writing and research 10x smarter. Let's begin with our first tool, Perplexity AI, your AI-powered research assistant. Let's face it, Googling used to be enough, but now we need better answers, faster, and that's where Perplexity AI comes in. Perplexity is like if Google and ChatGPT had a smarter baby. You type in a question, and it gives you a concise, citation-backed answer in seconds. Why is it a game changer? Well, Perplexity AI summarizes content from credible sources, including journals, blogs, and Wikipedia. You can deep dive into follow-up questions instantly, no need to restart your query. The best part? It links every response to its original source, so you can fact-check and explore further. This tool is perfect for writers, researchers, students, journalists, anyone who wants to go deeper than a surface-level Google search. Our second tool here is Notion AI, from brain dump to polished paragraph. Notion AI is like a productivity app on steroids. Yes, it can help you organize your tasks, but what we care about today is its ability to turn messy ideas into structured content. Say you've got a rough draft, bullet points, or even just a few scattered notes. With Notion AI, you can instantly generate outlines, rewrite for clarity or tone, summarize long passages, or even turn meeting notes into a blog post or article. It doesn't just write, it thinks with you. What's even better is the Ask AI block inside a Notion page. If you tell it what you're trying to write, it'll build a first draft that's 70% of the way there, so you can focus on making it great. Moving on, our third tool here is Elicit, AI research for complex questions. If you write about technical, academic, or data-heavy topics, Elicit.org will be your new favorite tool. It was designed to support academic research, but anyone can use it to explore complex questions using real evidence. Here's how it works. Ask a nuanced question like, what are the long-term effects of remote work on productivity? Elicit will then search academic papers and generate summary tables with supporting points. It also highlights methodology, sample size, and outcomes, so you're not just quoting a headline. Unlike Perplexity, which is great for general searches, Elicit helps you dig deep into high-quality, peer-reviewed research. The next AI tool that can up-level your writing and research is Grammarly Go, your AI-powered communication coach. Yes, you probably already know Grammarly, but now it's no longer just about grammar. Grammarly Go now uses generative AI to help you rewrite with different tones. For example, you can choose professional, assertive, or friendly tones in your writing. You can adjust for audience, such as colleagues versus executives. The tool also gives you the ability to shorten, expand, or rephrase with a click, and write entire drafts of emails, blogs, and reports for you. And it's context-aware, meaning it understands your intent and improves your writing without changing your voice. This is a must-have if you write under pressure, or you need to maintain clarity and professionalism in every email. This tool is perfect for corporate professionals, managers, remote workers, or anyone who writes a lot during the day. Finally, our fifth tool is ChatGPT with custom GPTs, your specialized writing partner. Yes, ChatGPT is still powerful, but the real magic now lies in custom GPTs. Instead of treating ChatGPT like a general assistant, you can customize it for your writing workflow. For examples, a content strategist GPT can help you brainstorm SEO blog titles. A resume reviewer GPT can give tailored bullet point edits. A grant writing GPT can help you write funding proposals. Even a journalist GPT can be trained to match AP style. You can now create your own GPT with zero coding. Just tell it how you want it to behave and what role it should play, and you've got a personalized writing partner available 24/7. This is perfect for power users, marketers, consultants, freelancers, or anyone looking for a niche writing assistant. All right, let's do a quick recap of the top 5 AI tools we covered. Perplexity AI for doing smart research with citations. Notion AI for structuring your thoughts and drafts. Elicit.org for making academic-grade research easier. Grammarly.go for doing real-time editing and tone correction. And ChatGPT with custom GPTs for creating your personalized writing partner. You don't need to use all 5 every time, but imagine pairing just 2 or 3 together. For example, you can use Perplexity and Notion AI to brainstorm and outline, or use Elicit and ChatGPT to write and refine technical content. When you have the final draft, use Grammarly.go at the end for polish and tone. That's how you write smarter, faster, and with more confidence. Remember, AI won't replace your creativity, it'll amplify it. The best writers in 2025 aren't the ones who work the hardest, they're the ones who build the smartest writing systems. So try 1 or 2 of these tools this week and see how much time you save and how much better your writing becomes. That's a wrap for today's episode. If this episode helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow writer or creator. And if you've discovered an AI tool that's changed your writing life, leave us a comment to let us know. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time on the Work Chat.